Hey guys! Welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain whether Skrill is safe to use. So, let's get started. If you're thinking about using Skrill for online payments, receiving freelance earnings, or moving money internationally, one of the first questions most people ask is Skrill safe? The short answer is yes. Skrill is generally safe, but let's break down why, how it protects you, and what you should keep in mind. 1. Regulated financial service. Skrill operates as a regulated online money service in multiple countries. It follows financial rules and security standards set by financial authorities. This means the company has to protect your money and follow anti-fraud and anti-money laundering policies. Being regulated gives Skrill more credibility than many small, unknown apps. 2. Encryption and security protocols. When you log into your Skrill account or make a transaction, the platform uses secure encryption protocols, similar to what banks use, to protect your data. This means your personal information, passwords, and transaction details are scrambled so hackers can't easily read them. Skrill also monitors for suspicious activity to help detect fraud early. 3. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. Skrill offers two-factor authentication, an extra layer of security that requires a second verification step, like a code sent to your phone, before you can log in or make certain changes. This makes it much harder for someone else to access your account, even if they guess your password. 4. Money in Skrill accounts. Your balance in Skrill is stored electronically. While this is generally safe, it's important to understand that electronic money is not the same as money held in a bank account protected by local deposit insurance, like FDIC or similar. That doesn't mean your money disappears, it just means it isn't insured in the same way as a traditional bank deposit. 5. Scams and safety practices. No financial service is immune to scams or phishing attempts. Skrill will never ask for your password by email or message, so be careful of fake messages pretending to be Skrill. Always double-check links and never share your login information with anyone. If something looks suspicious, contact Skrill support directly. 6. Transaction protection. Skrill holds records of all payments you send and receive. If something goes wrong, for example, you sent money to the wrong person or were scammed, having detailed records can help when you contact Skrill support, your bank, or law enforcement to investigate. 7. Reputation and longevity. Skrill has been operating for many years and is widely used by freelancers, online gamers, and international businesses. Its longevity and global user base show that many people consider it trustworthy enough for daily transactions. 8. Your own responsibility. While Skrill provides security features, the safety of your account also depends on what you do. Using a strong, unique password, enabling 2FA, and keeping your phone or email secure dramatically improves your account safety. In summary, Skrill is safe to use as long as you follow good security habits and understand how electronic money works. It offers regulated operations, encryption, and fraud monitoring, but like any financial tool, your safety also depends on your behavior. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.